don't you get my candy? Yeah, there's a basket. Want to open them later? After we find them all?
Find them all and then open them.
All right, let's see.
You want to open one? Okay, go ahead,
He
open it.
likes to open them as they come.
Ooh, money!
Money for your
Easter Bunny
bag.
gave you money. Want Daddy to hold your money for you?
Let's find some more.
No. Don't do it.
Let's find some more.
Let's go. Let's
Find more
go.
eggies. Look around.
Is that another one?
Ooh, what's in there?
What's in there? It's blue.
It's blue.
What is it? Gummy
Gummy
bunnies.
bunnies.
Num num. Mmm, good.
They good?
All right, let's keep looking.
Find some more. They're all over the place. Zizi. Go this way.
This one. Look at all of them. I see some. Do you see some? What's
There's
that?
one.
What is it?
You made the
Let me see.
table and everything, Lori?
Yeah.
Wow.
What's that one?
Can you open that, or do you have to?
That
Put it in,
is
too?
Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
It's a Play-Doh egg.
There's Play-Doh in here.
There we go.
I'll open it while you look for more.
What's in there?
What's in there? Oh, a little piggy.
A piggy. You want the
What,
Play-Doh?
the jelly?
Oh, you want the
Gummy?
gummy?
Gummies? Here you go.
All right. So,
Take another one and go look for some eggs. More eggs. Oh, look it. Where are they all?
oh, they're everywhere.
I'll leave this right here. You can eat it.
And there's Grammy. Look up, Grammy. We're doing a.
You're not taking a picture.
It's not a picture. It's a video. Daddy.
Find some more.
Happy Easter.
Find some more. Happy Easter.
Keep looking, my God. There's tons of them.
I got this.
Find some more eggs. Those you already found. Put them in your bag. In your basket.
Yeah, you gotta put them in a basket like that.
There you go. Oh, I see another one.